Hello, boys and girls. We are reading the story Clothes in Many Cultures. It's written by Heather Adamson. And this book is a nonfiction story. That means it is real. It's about real life things. And this story is all about clothes. And it's about clothes all around the world and what different people wear. We're going to read a couple pages today, and then we're going to be talking about the main idea and details in the couple pages that we read. All right, let's get started. Clothes to wear. Around the world, everyone wears clothes for work or play. So in Colombia, this is what they wear. Parkas keep people warm on cold days. Sarongs keep people cool on hot days. All right, we're going to stop there. And we are going to write about the main idea and details. I want you to get a piece of paper and just draw a circle in the middle with two little lines on the side. And so the main idea and details helps us understand what this story is all about. So the main idea goes in the middle. What is this story all about? A place that we can look to find a clue of what is this story about is the front cover. Here's our front cover. Let's read the title of our story. Clothes in Many Cultures. That's going to tell us, what is this story all about? What do you think? This story is all about clothes. The whole book is all about different clothes that people wear. So that's our main idea. And I'm going to copy that word into the middle. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. So that is our main idea. What this story is all about. It's all about clothes. Now we read a couple pages about things that people wear. So what did we learn? What did we learn here? What was a detail in our story that talks about clothes? We learned about parkas in this page. That parkas keep people warm. So I'm going to write here parkas, P-A-R-K-A-S. And then I could even draw a parka. So I'm going to first draw the hood, and the hood is fluffy to keep the face nice and warm. And then it's like a coat. So I'm going to draw the coat. Okay, so there's my coat, a parka. So that's one of the details in our story. So our story is all about clothes in many cultures. And one of the details that we learned about was parkas. And that parkas keep people warm on cold days. Now, what was another detail in our story? What was something else we learned about in our story? We learned about sarongs. That sarongs keep people cool on hot days. So that's something else that we learned in our story. That's another detail. So I'm going to draw it over here, and I'm going to write sarong. S-A-R-O-N-G-S. Sarongs. And I'm going to draw a picture of it. So it's a piece of cloth that they can wrap around and tie. So I'm going to draw a piece of cloth, and they would wrap it around and tie it, and it keeps them cool. So we learned about some clothes that keep people warm when it's really cold, and some clothes that keep people cool when it's really hot. So our main idea in our story, it's all about different clothes that people wear all around the world. And our details that we learned about today are parkas that keep people warm and sarongs that keep people cool. I want you to make your main idea and details about the things that we learned today. And you can post a picture of it on Seesaw. You can either draw pictures of it or you could write the words. Either one of them is fine. And I'll see you on Seesaw.